Hello, my name is Grace, and I'm the owner of the Fog Miranda real estate team. We'd like to invite you to our free Let It Go workshop in September. Have you considered selling your home in the next 5 years or so, but you're a bit overwhelmed with what you need to do to get your house ready? Many people have been in their homes for many years and have a lot of stuff. It can be very overwhelming, but we can help you make a plan. I want to invite you to a workshop that we are hosting that is exclusively for people who are considering selling sometime in the future. We call it Let It Go because that is what most of our clients are asking us about. What do we do with the stuff? We're going to cover some really important subjects like decluttering. How the heck do you do that? And where do you begin? And is there an effective system that could help with that without leading to divorce or something worse? Are there repairs that you should do ahead of time? What about painting? Should you do a pre-inspection? And how do you sell a home as is? And of course, everybody's asking, what the heck is the real estate market doing? Is it going up? Is it going down? And when is the best time to sell? Come see us here in Burbank on Wednesday, September 19th. And please feel free to bring a friend. We would love to see you.